institution, because this institution, the Philippine College of Criminology, boasts of a lot of alumni who have done so well, who have helped the country both in the public sector as well as the private sector, and I know that you are going to continue with this tradition. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very informative and awakening messages and information as regards to the problem of the country in relation to drug problem. We will now proceed to the second open forum. So members of the studentry who are very much enthusiastic to gain much enlightenment, please don't hesitate to come forward and ask or address your question to our honorable guest. And by the way, as you ask or before you ask question, kindly introduce yourself. And by the way, also may I recognize the presence of our Senior Vice President for Administration, none other than Attorney Durante Civil, a good friend of our guest of honor and speaker.
Attorney, matagal lang maging magkaibigan ni Attorney Cyril. In fact, I was a commencement speaker many years ago in the Philippine College of Criminology, and Attorney Cyril was the one who invited me. Thank you so much. By the way, may konti tayong open forum here, no? But I would like to also tell you that you can interact with me either through my website, goles.com, may link naman yan with my email, or pwede kayo may pag-usap sa akin sa Facebook. Nasa Facebook ako, ang pangalan ko sa Facebook, Roylo Goles. Sino member ng Facebook dito? Ayan, hanapin nyo lang ako. Thank you.
Facebook? Sana Friendster na lang?
Yung mga nasa Friendster, lumipat na kayo ng Facebook. Because Facebook is now number one. Of the social networks, is now number one. It is probably maybe 10 times bigger than Friendster.